Assalamu alaikum everyone. We heard about the violet flowers blooming once in a year in the winters of Abha and we badly wanted to sight it. So we planned a day, clung on to our cars and started the journey. To reach Abha, you will have to meet many rock mountains, tunnels and hills for good 3 hours. Since it's a Friday, we started the journey after Jummah prayers and reached Abha around 4 in the evening. See, the roads already are starting to give hints about the color of the city. There you see, this is Abha, the city of jacaranda flowers. Wow, this is jacarandas welcoming us by the entrance. This is the first time I am seeing them and I am truly amazed. You won't believe this is surreal to me. Abha was the capital city for the Prince of Asir ibn Aid under the authority of Ottoman Empire until World War I. These conic violet flowers start to bloom in the month of May in Abha. They say that Asir municipality planted thousands of these trees on King Abdullah Road to enhance the already charming beauty of the city. The city looks cool, clean and calm. There are many parks, but this is the one we have stopped to sight the beauty. These are the huts built for the public to rest and enjoy their family time. Hence we settled in one with an awe-striking view. This vlog is recorded in the month of Ramadan, so we all went prepared for iftar. There are outdoor cafes and restaurants in the park. And most of them were closed due to Ramadan. I took a me-time walk by the sidewalks and look what I saw. All daisies and all things daisy. I stopped in many places to take pictures and videos. There were many expensive cars parked on the pathways, so why wait? Took lots of pictures. Around 5:30 we started preparing for iftar by cutting all the fruits we brought and bought some short eats from there. Alhamdulillah, the iftar meal was simple yet delicious. And what's more to explore in Abha? There are Abha Dam Lake, Cable Car, Asir National Park, High City Parks, Green Mountains, Rijal Alma Art Museum and many more. As the night grew colder, we couldn't survive without a jacket anymore, so we rushed to a hot supper meal to a friend's place. So if you like my videos, please like, share, comment and subscribe to All Things Daisy.